Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act immediately. Sign into your Azure DevOps organization, open the target project, and create or select a repository. Once done, push your application code to Azure repos or connect an external GitHub repo. Make sure branch protection is understood. Next, create required service connections and grant pipeline permissions so the pipeline can access resources. This avoids permission failures later, and it sets up the environment you need to define your pipeline. Now you will author the pipeline definition using YAML. This is the heart of automation. Create an Azure Pipelines. YAML in the repo root and declare trigger branches, agent pool, and pipeline variables so behavior is predictable. Then add stages or jobs with clear steps. Check out, install dependencies, build, test, and publish artifacts. Use templates for repetition and include conditional expressions for environments. Make sure to commit the YAML. Doing so triggers CI and gives you fast feedback about syntax or runtime. You finish by running the pipeline and validating outputs. Queue a manual run if needed and watch live logs for failures. Once jobs complete, inspect test reports and published artifacts, then configure releases or continuous deployment triggers to deploy builds. If something breaks, make sure to check service connections and agent pool capacity first. Many errors stem from authentication or insufficient agents. After fixing, rerun the pipeline and verify success. Iterate on YAML and secrets until the automated flow is reliable and repeatable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.